Survivors of childhood sexual abuse stood in front of this infamous Upper East Side mansion today, Jeffrey Epstein's Manhattan home. They're pushing for an extended Child Victims Act. They want more time for people to come forward.
There are still people that need some more time to actually get the strength to walk somewhere and say, this happened to me.
The Child Victims Act allows survivors to come forward and file a civil lawsuit, even long after the alleged abuse occurred. But this window ends in August.
We need more time. This 1 year is not enough. August is really, really close.
As soon as it went into effect, you saw women from Epstein. You see people getting held accountable, powerful men being held accountable for things they never, ever thought that would happen.
Outside alleged predator Jeffrey Epstein's mansion, a renewed call for victims to come forward before it's too late. The Southern District's U.S. Attorney says victims' courage has helped with criminal prosecution as well.
Our investigation into his co-conspirators continues. I have said publicly before, we can only do the work we do with the assistance of victims willing to come forward.
After years of pushback, the Child Victims Act was passed 1 year ago, a major victory for survivors.
I also want survivors to have more time. That's why I urge our legislators in Albany to extend this look-back window so that more survivors have the opportunity to seek compensation for the harm that they suffered.
The legislation that would extend the window to file a civil suit in New York would need to pass in this legislative session for a seamless continuation. On the Upper East Side, Allison Caden, Pix 11 News.